Hello everyone, welcome back. Today video is about to connect our Laravel application with the database. So we are going to use MySQL database. Why I choose MySQL? So basically MySQL is used for small and bigger projects both. So even you are a single developer, you can also work on MySQL, and you can also work with the teammate with MySQL. So that's why I choose MySQL, and most of the project use MySQL, right? And how you can open this MySQL? Let's go to the XAMPP which we installed earlier. So you can also search it by typing XAMPP here, or you can add this in your taskbar. So let's click on this, and first you need to start these two services. The first one is Apache and the second one is MySQL. So and then you need to type here localhost /php myadmin. So it will open the database for us, right? And yes, the database home page is opened, and now we can create any database here by clicking on this new button. So let's go here and create our first database. So we name this example app, like we name as our project. Name this project. So our database is created, and now there is no table exist in the database. So we are not going to create the table manually, so we'll use Laravel migration in the next video. So let's go to the project. This is our project directory, and I'm running this through PHP Artisan Serve. And how can I connect this with this database? So this is the project root directory, and you need to go to the .env file. This is environment file where your all credentials will be stored. So this is a DB connection part. Here you need to put your credential. The first one is DB connection. DB connection is here you need to put your database type. So I'm using MySQL, right? It's open MySQL here. So I entered this MySQL, and then the DB host. I'm using localhost, so you can type this localhost or 127, it's same. And then you need to mention the port. So by default my localhost port is this one, and then you need to type the database name here. So in our case we name this example app, right? And the username is root in by default, and we did not set any password. So let's save this, and when I click this save, so it's automatically restart our server. If you are on lower version like Laravel 7 or 6, you need to manually start your server again. So then your env file will be changed. So we connect our database example app. So let's go to the project. Yes, it's example app, and how we can verify that our example is connected or our database is connected or not. Let's go to the text editor and go to the web.php file, and here I paste a code where I am testing it using by try catch block, and here I am testing that our DB is connected. So it returns connected, and otherwise it will throw this error, right? And save this one, and let's go to the test route and hit enter. Yes, it's turning the connected, so it means that our database is successfully connected with our project. So let's go to the jump into the next tutorial. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.